I found her parked behind an abandoned gas station in a small town just outside Nairobi. Dust-covered, tires flat, price tag, $500. People laughed. I couldn't resist. The key was still in the ignition, literally untouched since 2016. Smelled like old leather and secret sunroof was cracked open, rain damage visible. Found a crumpled receipt from a highway diner glove compartment. Time capsule, expired insurance card, Calgary, Alberta, euro coins in a mint tin. A faded photo of a couple hugging in front of a BMW. Strange stickers on the windshield, no nukes, and peace rally, Berlin 1994. Local university parking sticker leads. UK. A cracked barcode sticker from a ferry company. Clue that this car had a story beyond borders. What was hidden under the rear seat? Dusty Polaroid. Someone's road trip across Australia. Torn up Kenyan road map. A rusted pocket knife. Rolled up newspaper. Mombasa coastal cleanup, 2003. The engine was dead, but not gone. Rats had nested in the air filter. Battery corroded like a science experiment. Found a spark plug taped to a pencil. Still, the engine block was intact. The weird message under the hood, "Fix me if you dare," scribbled in Sharpie. Signed, Uncle T. No clue who that was. Dated 2019. Someone cared. Once. Made me laugh. And curious. Dashboard with the story cracked. Sun faded, but elegant analog dials. Classic German design clock stuck at 417. CD player, with a Motown Gold album inside. Backseat. Treasure sort of yoga mat from a studio in Melbourne. Cracked sunglasses. A child's toy car, same model as the real one. T-shirt reading, Safari Dreams, Masai Mara 2010. The trunk surprise. Old hiking boots, still muddy. First aid kit from Sweden. Metal detector, battery pack. A worn-out book, The Art of Travel, by Elaine D. Botten. Underneath the floor mat. Loose bolts and coins. Abu's ticket to Eldoret, do not tow. Handwritten note. Secret compartment. Empty. Strange sound when I tried to start it, clicking like a stubborn typewriter. Dashboard lights blinked once. A distant horn sound, not ours. Then silence again. Locals said the car was haunted. She drove it in, but never came back. Town mechanic refused to touch it. A boy said the car whispers at night. First wash, layers peeled off. Original paint was emerald green, not gray. Waxed. A panel reflection shocked me. Found a gold pin stuck to the roof lining. The name Ingrid etched into the rearview mirror when we finally towed it. Front axle creaked like an old man's back. Tow guy from Kisumu said, "She has soul." Bystanders stared like it was a funeral. I promised her a second chance. What we're doing next will blow your mind. Swapping engine with a turbo diesel from Germany, restoring it into a luxury, safari-ready retro ride. This wasn't just a $500 car, it was someone's adventure, someone's escape. And now, it's ours to resurrect. Would you restore this car, or leave it as a memory? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm reading all of them.